Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this short video tutorial we will learn how to crochet a heart. So this is complimentary video for the cup cozy that I'm going to post later, but as you may see you can add these beautiful hearts to decorate the crochet mittens. The tutorial will be posted as well later on my blog and YouTube channel. For the heart, I'm using 3.5 millimeters crochet hook and DK yarn. The smaller heart you want to get, the lighter yarn you need to take. Start with magic ring and the slip knot and make 6 single crochet into the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the yarn, and we are not going to join here, we're going to work in spiral. Find the first single crochet, and round number 2 we are going to make increases. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch around, in total 12 single crochet. 12. Round number 3 and 4 make 1 single crochet in each stitch, again in total 12 single crochet. And now round number 4, the same as round number 3. 1 single crochet in each stitch around. That's it. So the first part is ready. Now cut the yarn, leaving about 10 centimeters tail, and pull the last loop. And now you will need to crochet absolutely the same piece, but do not cut the yarn at the end. So here I am. So I've done absolutely the same piece. And now round number 5, make 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. Place stitch marker to see where the round is started. So make 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. Now take the second piece and right next to the last stitch. So the last stitch was here, and we are going to work into the next stitch. and make 1 single crochet. Go on working 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So we did 1, then 2, 3, in total 12. One single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. This is 11, and the last one is here, 12. Now we have 6 more single crochet on the second part here. Find the right stitch. If you want, you can count back from the stitch marker. So we are going to work here. 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches till the stitch marker. And now let's return to the tail that we left when I said about 10 centimeters. Take the yarn needle. It is optionally, you can skip this part, but I would like to stitch the little hole between these two pieces. So just make couple of stitches. Grab one loop on one side and then on another side. And let's make one more. And a knot at the same time. So look, here everything is perfect. Do not weave, do not cut, just place all tails inside. And now round number 6. We have 24 stitches now in this round, and we are going to start making decreases. So make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Do not forget to place stitch marker that will indicate the beginning of the round. Now 1 more single crochet, and now make single crochet 2 together. For this I insert my hook underneath the front loop of the next stitch and right away underneath the front loop of the next stitch after. Yarn over, draw up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. So we have done single crochet 2 together, and let's repeat 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. And now single crochet 2 together, front loop here, front loop of the next stitch, and yarn over, pull through 2. And let's repeat again. So in total we are going to repeat the single crochet in next 2 stitches, single crochet 2 together 6 times. And again 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and now single crochet 2 together. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet 2 together, And for the last time, one single crochet in next 2 stitches, and now single crochet 2 together. Remove stitch marker. Round number 7, we are going to crochet one single crochet in each stitch around. In total 18 single crochet. So go on working one single crochet in each stitch. Next round again we are going to make decreases. This time we are going to crochet one single crochet in next stitch, return stitch marker, and now single crochet 2 together. And again one single crochet, single crochet 2 together. Again we repeat one single crochet, 2 together 6 times in total. Please go on working one single crochet, 2 together, one single crochet, 2 together till the stitch marker. Next round work without decreases, one single crochet in each stitch, in total 12 single crochet. Place stitch marker, great. Now is the time to stuff the heart with fiber fill, just a little bit. And let's finish the last round, single crochet 2 together 6 times. Front loop, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and again front loop, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Front loop, pull through, and 2 more times, single crochet. Ah, and the last time. That's it. Cut the yarn and let's close the hole. Use yarn needle and pick up last 7 stitches through the front loops. Then weave the tail in and the heart is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for the cup cozy and crochet mittens that will be posted soon on my blog and YouTube channel. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye!